Welcome to the Oracle Certification Training Program, an industry-oriented database and cloud career program. This program is offered by Baroda Institute of Technology in collaboration with IIT Patna Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation. Oracle is essential, powering mission-critical systems across data-intensive industries like banking and healthcare. Through hands-on labs, you will master Oracle SQL, Place/SQL, database administration, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This program is suitable for students, software developers, data analysts, aspiring DBAs, cloud engineers, and career switchers. Oracle databases are the standard in industries requiring top-tier security and performance, such as banking, finance, and government. Oracle certification offers competitive compensation, with average salaries in India ranging from 4 to 25 LPA across roles like SQL developer, DBA, cloud engineer, and data engineer. This structured learning pathway provides a journey from foundational SQL skills to advanced database administration and cloud infrastructure mastery. The 4 stages cover Oracle Database SQL Certified Associate, Oracle DBA Certified Associate, Oracle DBA Certified Professional, and Oracle Cloud Foundations. The Oracle certification path progresses from Associate or OCA to Professional or OCP, and then to Master or OCM. The OCA focuses on foundational skills over 3 to 4 months, leading to a junior DBA or SQL dev role. The OCP is mid-level, focusing on performance tuning and advanced concepts over 4 to 6 months. Finally, the OCM is an expert-level certification for roles like Principal Architect or CTO. You can follow 2 main career paths. The Database Administrator path progresses from Foundation SQL to DBA Associate, then to DBA Professional. The Database Developer path also starts with Foundation SQL but moves to Place/SQL Developer and Advanced SQL Development. The Oracle Database SQL Certified Associate module covers foundational SQL language essentials over 4 weeks. Key topics include data retrieval, joins and set operators, DML, DDL and schema, functions and aggregation, and subqueries. Hands-on practice includes building and querying a company sales DB and mock exams. The Oracle DBA Certified Associate module, for Exam 1Z0082, focuses on installing, configuring, and maintaining an Oracle database instance. Key topics include architecture, storage, security, backup, and performance. Hands-on labs involve installing the database, creating users and roles, and performing RMAN backup and recovery. The Oracle Database Administrator Certified Professional module, for Exam 1Z0083, elevates skills to a professional level. It covers advanced topics such as multi-tenant architecture, high availability with DataGuard, advanced RMAN recovery, and performance tuning strategies. Advanced labs offer real-world scenarios, including configuring DataGuard and implementing TSP-ITR. The Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundations module, for Exam 1Z01085, builds a strong cloud computing foundation. Core topics include OCI architecture, networking, identity and access management, compute and storage, database, and security. Hands-on practice includes provisioning a VCN, launching a web server, and implementing IAM policies. Map your career path to the right official Oracle certification. Roles from SQL developer to data engineer align with certifications like Oracle Database SQL Associate and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundations. Remember, these certification exams are conducted by Oracle University and are globally recognized. Our training ecosystem features instructor-led training, offering both online live and offline classroom modes. Learn directly from industry experts with insights into real-world challenges. Hands-on labs provide dedicated environments to practice SQL, Place/SQL, and DBA tasks. You also get exclusive access to the BitLMS Learning Portal, offering 24/7 learning resources, interactive assignments, and mock certification exams. We utilize essential tools and technologies categorized into Database Core, Development Environment, and Cloud Platform. This includes Oracle Database, Oracle Data Modeler, SQL Developer, Place/SQL, Oracle Apex, DB Express, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, covering compute, networking, storage services, and autonomous database. Apply your knowledge with real-world case studies like bank database optimization to achieve 40% faster query speeds, e-commerce data analytics for actionable business insights, and disaster recovery drill to ensure zero data loss recovery. These scenarios simulate real enterprise environments. Oracle skills open doors to diverse and high-paying IT roles globally. Career opportunities include Oracle developer, SQL developer, database admin, data engineer, and cloud engineer. We partner with top recruiters and hiring partners such as Oracle, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, IBM, and Accenture. Our structured 5-step placement pathway transforms you into an industry-ready Oracle professional. Starting with foundation training, you move through certification prep and projects and portfolio, leading to mock interviews and dedicated placement support. The IIT Patna certification provides immense value, including global recognition and industry credibility. Certification also offers a strong resume value and higher salary potential compared to non-certified peers. Oracle stands out as the enterprise standard for mission-critical global systems, offering unmatched security, advanced place/SQL, and high availability. This makes it the preferred choice for banking, telecom, government, and large enterprises, compared to other platforms like MySQL and Postgres. Our program provides significant benefits, including an industry curriculum aligned with Oracle standards and hands-on labs using real-world datasets. We also offer certification prep for key exams, internship opportunities for top performers, and comprehensive placement support. Student reviews highlight the program's effectiveness, praising the hands-on labs for complex SQL and place/SQL, thorough certification preparation, and excellent support for placements and interviews. We offer flexible learning options to fit your schedule: classroom training, online live training, and hybrid learning. Additionally, you get 24/7 LMS access and can choose from weekend and weekday batches. Ready to launch your database career with Oracle? Join our industry-oriented certification program. We offer professional certification programs in data science and analytics, cloud computing, software development, and database technologies.